Friends, everyone wants to be smart, attractive and effective. So today in this video we discuss top 8 habits of attractive men. Irrespective and kind. The vast majority of young girls, young ladies you meet will be at your work environment, school or even neighbors. Say her offer to convey stuff for them and by and large be a decent game about everything. Know that a full kid or gangster demeanor will not get you laid. There's an excessively amount of dormant and languishing around over you to be exerted. Be well mannered, kind and supportive. Consider it a drawn out speculation, it will deliver unlimited profit later on. Simply be the go-to individuals when help is required. It's certain fire approach to look alluring for a man inside and out. Next is convey positive energy. Ladies like a man who is positive and motivating since he looks and seems like the one who's heading for good things. Influential men realize that inspiration is a great way that man can look appealing, that can do mentally is vital for achievement throughout everyday life, just as in getting laid. Next is develop agreeability. How you introduce yourself genuinely to the world with your non-verbal communication can pass on a huge load of allure. Along these lines, stand upstanding, uncross your arms, grin habitually and usually connect with everyone around you. You will quickly show up more well-disposed, agreeable, and individual will need to become more acquainted with you. Dear friends, the next is a steady actual routine. A few of us have been honored and a few of us have not. However, in any case, dealing with yourself truly goes far and beyond exactly what your body resembles genuinely. Legitimate exercise and wellness adds to generally physical and mental prosperity, supports certainly and assist with pressure extremely significant components that will help you or allure to everybody around you. Next is be free. Everybody loves to be commended. It immediately incapacitates individuals and causes them to feel great when they are around you, and no doubt about it. Individuals consistently reflect how you affect them. Okay, to ensure you are generally satisfied, however, no one enjoys phoniness. Next is be respectful. Respectful, it's something straightforward, yet there's an explanation. Your mother consistently need you to recall your habits. Individuals truly notice when you say please and thank you, when you are being thoughtful, opening the interview for other people. It will become significant and alluring for the right reasons and joy to be the near. This should be obvious. Everybody, and I mean everybody, can be more appealing regardless you resemble. So some self-care and an authentic longing to be all that you can be. Next is have a grooming schedule. Perhaps it appears glaringly evident, however a spotless, all-around prepared man is continually going to seem appealing, and it likewise shows you care about yourself. It doesn't need to mean a muddled daily practice and extravagant items, either just put some work into yourself, what you like. The last is develop an emotional wellness schedules. Keeping a solid psyche is similarly pretty much as significant as chipping away at your bill. Dear friends, all these habits will make you unique and a very charming personality. Be the good person, enjoy your life, and thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.